So this is like the basket that started it all. And now this harness is going to be a little different than the harness that you get, because this is kind of overkill, but I just kind of want to show you how this works. Basically, you're going to have a belt and one horizontal strap and 2 verticals. Okay, they get threaded through the belt, and then the belt comes around the top. And for right now, I'm just going to temporarily cinch that in there just to hold it. So then these guys, this is your runners that you just put on the basket. They go underneath. Between the runner and the bottom of the basket. Like I say, this harness is pretty dang old, as is the basket, but it's a dear friend of mine that made it for me in exchange for a fishing trip in Alaska. So it's got good stories and good mojo. So I'm going to slide those underneath there, and then this is the front of the basket. Remember, we temporarily hooked our belt here, so I'm going to undo that. I'm going to slide that one on there, and slide this one on here. So you've got 2 in the back and 2 in the front, and then you want to keep that right up underneath the rim and cinch it. Okay, that's all there is to it. Bring your keepers up, and you have got it done. All you gotta do is throw it on your back and go out and have an adventure.